Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 VW Passat. So from any screen, as you can see there, if I take my hand away, the sat nav you see is at full screen, and there's no instructions, controls or anything. When I put my hand up, then again the controls come up at the bottom, and it's the same with the phone. So we'll go to phone. You've got settings here. Find mobile phone. We want to delete one, so we go to settings. You've got settings, you go to Bluetooth and down to paired devices. Also, if you're having trouble connecting your mobile, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth audio. So here we go, paired devices, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, music, telephone and delete. We want delete. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro? Delete. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 VW Passat. Really easy, great system. So first of all, we go to Bluetooth, then we're watching out at the bottom. We go over here, we go to phone, click on phone. Please find VW, stupid name, but there you go. Find mobile phone, watching out at the bottom here, searching for devices. It says Bluetooth audio stopped. That's because this was connected to it before I deleted it. Just waiting. It's taking its time, probably because I've just deleted it. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Click on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request 112305. Does it match? Yes, it does. Only to be expected pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. Hands-free telephone connecting. And it's all done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 VW Passat. First of all, we go to iTunes. We'll just click on that. On there, you'll see there it's playing. It's got VW there. If I just click on the little car and the person symbol, you'll see iPhone or VW. There's a tick next to VW, which means any audio that plays through this, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, a YouTube soundtrack, video soundtrack, it will play through this system if you have it set right. We now go to media, click on media. Now that's come straight through to Bluetooth audio. But just to show you, you've got here, again, if I take my hand away, you can't see anything really that means anything to you. But if I put my hand closer, you've got source, selection, previous. So if I go on source, what I can do is knock auxiliary on. So if we go back to, we click play, this will play through this sound system, but it's not doing, it's turned up, it's not playing. We go to media, we go to source, we go to Bluetooth audio, and then it plays. That's it, that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2019 VW Passat. First of all, we go to nav. If you just watch at the bottom of the screen there, you'll see that at the moment there's a kind of a menu, but it disappears. Now, the way to get that menu back up is just hold your hand up near the thing, and you've got new destination. So that's what we want, new destination. Help in entering destinations. I don't want that to show again because I'm all right. Right, enter destination there. It's already been in before. The guy who came to buy our car. So PR5 4EA. Preston PR5 4EA. Click on there. That's it. PR5 4EA.
The routes
Start.
are being calculated.
That's it.